I've been in business for the past 3 years, and here's what I realized. Skills alone won't make you successful. You can have all the skills in the world, but if you are stuck, it's not because you don't know enough, it's because there's something holding you back. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down what it is and how to overcome it. To understand this, in life, there's cause and effect. Everything has a cause. People don't accidentally gain muscles. People don't accidentally stumble upon success. And if this world runs on cause and effect, well, so does your life. Wherever you are currently in life, had a cause behind it. And that cause was your action, which means wherever you currently are in life is the result of your actions and yours alone. Whether you are happy or sad, whether you are rich or poor, it was all your actions. So if your life is shaped by your actions, what shapes those actions? What's the cause of your actions? Well, it's your mindset. Your mindset is the engine behind every decision that you make, behind every risk that you take, behind every action that you take, and every opportunity that you grab. It even influences your skills. Don't believe me? Let's take this example. Take two salesmen, red and blue. They both have the same sales skills. Red believes that sales is sleazy, just a way to rip people off. Deep down, he feels guilty every time he pitches something. Blue, on the other hand, believes that sales is about helping people solve their problem. He sees it as an opportunity to genuinely make someone's life or business better. Now tell me, who do you think will be better at sales? Red or blue? Of course, it's blue. And here's why. Blue's belief system drives everything he does. When he talks to his prospect, he is confident, enthusiastic, and genuinely focused on helping them. And that energy is contagious. It makes people trust him and want to work with him. Even if Blue stumbles or makes mistakes, his mindset keeps him moving forward. Now let's take a look at Red. Even if Red knows all the sales technique in the book, his belief that sales is sleazy holds him back. That guilt, hesitation shows up in his tone, his body language, and the way he talks to clients. He might sound unsure or even apologetic when pitching. And guess what? People can feel that. That's why he struggles with closing clients. All because of his mindset. See the difference? Same skills, same knowledge, but two completely different outcomes just because of mindset. And I've seen this firsthand in my own life. 3 years ago, when I started my first online business, which was an SMMA, I had all the resources in the world. I was in a great community of like-minded people. I had the skills, I had the knowledge, but despite all that, my growth was painfully slow compared to my peers. And the reason was simple. I'd work for a day or two, and if I didn't see any good results, I'd waste the next 3 days procrastinating because I was fearful of the fear of rejection. I hesitated on every big move, second-guessed myself at every step, and let fears hold me back. My mindset was messed up, and it showed. It led to bad decisions and inconsistent actions, which ultimately led to my business failure. But here's the thing. Bad mindset doesn't only leads to procrastination, it also limits your ability to use the skills that you already have. And that's exactly what I was going through. I had the resources, I had the knowledge, I had the skills, but my mindset wasn't in the right place. I kept holding myself back, even without realizing it. A bad mindset is like being stuck in a quicksand. You wake up with a plan, but distractions or fear of failure stops you from taking action. Bad mindset leads to bad skills. Bad skills lead to daily failures lead to procrastination, and the cycle keeps you stuck. But the truth is, the only thing that's holding you back is the way you're thinking about things. So how do we fix it? Well, simple. You reframe your beliefs. Your beliefs are the root cause of your actions. If you believe you're not good enough or that failure is the end of the world, guess what? You're gonna act in a way that proves those beliefs right. If you shift those beliefs, everything changes. For example, instead of thinking, I'm bad at this, try thinking, I'm learning. Instead of, what if I fail? Think, what if I succeed? This small shift in how you think leads to massive change in how you act. When I stopped being scared of rejection and started seeing failure as a part of the process, everything changed. I started taking bigger risks, sticking with things for longer, and actually putting my skills to good use. And guess what? My results finally started matching my effort. The point that I'm trying to make is mindset shapes your actions, and your actions shapes your results. So if you're not where you want to be, start working on your mindset. And lucky for you, I'm actually offering a free 60-minute one-on-one coaching call with me on mindset. If you are interested, you can just comment down the word free on this YouTube video down below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. See you in the next one.